As you saw in the thumbnail and title, I'm going to show you how to create an UpScrolled social account in 2026. If this video helps you out even a little bit, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a nice comment so I know it actually came through for you. Alright, first things first, make sure you've got the UpScrolled app installed. If you don't have it yet, no worries, just follow the install steps on your screen and you'll be good to go. Once it's installed, open the app. After that, tap on Create Account. On the next page, type in your name, email, and date of birth. Make sure you check that box, don't skip that part, then tap Next. Now here's the important part. You need to create a strong password. It has to be at least 8 characters long and include at least one number, one symbol, one uppercase letter, and one lowercase letter. Make it strong so your account stays safe. After entering your password, tap Next again. UpScrolled will send a code to your email. Go check your inbox, copy that code, and paste it here. Then tap Verify. Next, choose your handle name. Just type your name without spaces. Then tap Sign Up. Boom, your account is almost ready. Now let's set up your profile. Go down to the Profile section. Tap on your profile picture area and add a nice photo. To add a photo, tap Select New Photo. You'll see 2 options. If you want to take a new pic, tap Camera. If you already have one, tap Gallery and pick your photo. After that, follow the same steps to add a cool banner. Your name will already be there, but don't forget to add a short bio. You can write what you do or a little about yourself. In the links section, add your other social media links if you want. And hey, don't forget to tap that save icon at the end, or all your changes won't stick. And that's it. That's how you create your UpScrolled social account in 2026. Easy, right?